Hi, I'm Miranda, coming to you today from Chaplin's Auto Group in Bellevue, right off I-90 in the Eastgate neighborhood. And today we're looking at this 2004 Ford F350 Super Duty Power Stroke V8 Turbo Diesel truck. Got new head gaskets, EGR cooler, and injectors. It's in great condition. Let's take a look here on the inside. Here we've got our touchpad keyless entry. Inside we have our heated leather memory seats, automatic transmission, AM FM radio and CD player, power windows, power door locks. Take a look in the back seat. Our back seat is very spacious. We've got 3 seat belts, lots of leg room. And that back window opens. And towards the back. Got our backup sensors, tow package, take a look in the bed. Here at Chaplin's, all of our pre-owned inventory goes through an extensive safety inspection performed by our certified service technicians and are professionally detailed so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 425-641-2002.